How do you comment on any LinkedIn post as your LinkedIn company page? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from learndigitalwithrahul.com, and today we are going to learn how to comment on LinkedIn as your LinkedIn company page so that you may get more visibility and mentions for your LinkedIn page. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. In order to comment on any LinkedIn post as your LinkedIn company page, first of all, we will simply go to home feed and select any post on which we want to comment. Let's select this one. So here we are going to click on this three dot icon, and after that we will copy the link to this post, and then we will paste it in a new tab and open the link. Now that you have opened the post in a new tab, here we are going to add some parameters in the URL of this post. We will simply add a /, then question mark, and after that actor company ID is equal to. So we have just added this parameter, and after that we will be adding the company ID here next to =. So how do you find the company ID for your LinkedIn company page? For that, simply go to your profile on LinkedIn and then click on this me icon, and after that a drop down menu will open where you will see just under manage there is company. Here you will see the list of all the pages that you own or you are just an administrator of. So just select the page for which you want to find the company ID and click on that. And once the page opens, here in the URL field, you will notice there is some random number, and that number is the unique company ID of your page. So just copy this number and we are going to paste it at the end of =, here in this URL. After that, we will simply hit enter or return, and the page will load again. And this time you will notice that here it says comment as my company page. So we have changed from commenting as a profile to commenting as company page now. And now if we post any comment on this page, the comment will be posted with the company page ID. So that's one of the methods to comment on any LinkedIn post as your LinkedIn company page. But there are other methods as well, and which are a lot easier. So let me show you just that. For that, we will simply open any post to which we want to comment. So we are just scrolling in the feed and we found any post to comment, and let's comment on this one. So if we click on comment, here you get the option to add a comment. But if we click on this profile icon, next to that you see there is a drop down arrow. So we will click on that, and after that here we get the option to select the company page. Currently my profile is selected, so I'll select my company page, and after that I'll click on save. And once that is saved, you will notice that my profile icon will change here, and you will also see that now I'm commenting as my company page. So this is the easiest method to comment on any LinkedIn post as your LinkedIn company page, and the same is also applicable on smartphone apps as well. So whether you are using a LinkedIn app on your Android phone or iPhone, you can use this method to comment on any LinkedIn post as your LinkedIn company page. Let me show you that. If I just open LinkedIn app on my iPhone, here you can see that if I tap on comment, here I get the option to tap on my profile icon, and then I can select the company page and then tap on done, and this will change from my profile to my company page, and now I can comment as my company page. So that is how you can comment on any LinkedIn post as your LinkedIn company page.